Hello students, here is the question. A certain orbital has no angular nodes and two radial nodes. The orbital is. So here the orbital has no angular nodes and two radial nodes. Now we know the angular node formula is L, that is the azimuthal quantum number, and it is said that it has none. So we can say that azimuthal quantum number for that orbital is 0, and it shows that the radial node, which is calculated by n minus l minus 1, we have the total of radial nodes to be 2. So we know l is 3, l is 0, so n becomes n minus 1, which is 2, and n becomes 3. So we can say that the orbital has a principal quantum number 3 and the azimuthal quantum number 0. And we know that azimuthal quantum number always denotes to the s orbital. So here we can see that the option 4 is the correct answer. Thank you.